Good afternoon, students. Welcome to English grammar class. In previous class, we have discussed about the adjectives. So next one basic point is article for all the classes 8, 9, 10, 10th class. It's very essential. Some of the questions are going to arise in board exams. So this is basic. You can know articles. You are going to learn from first standard, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, for all the classes. It's a basic. We can say some of the points you know here in the article, but also some of the points are very confusing. And in competitive exams also, one question is compulsory from the articles. So at the competitive exam point of view also, little bit confusion is there in the articles. For example, unit is there, USA is there, China is there. Unit, USA, China. Commonly, what we will add? Unit. Unit means before the vowel, we are going to write, and according to our knowledge, USA, the, China also, that's the name of a country. We will write the here. Once let us see, all these are right. Before the unit and is written, because we all have studied that before the vowels we must write and. So we have written and there. USA, the, China, the, name of the countries. All these are right. I said this one is wrong and this one is wrong. The first one is and unit is wrong. The USA is right and China is also the China is also wrong. These are the basic concepts you should be clear. Why before the unit we have used and? Because let us discuss. We all know that in English we have 5 vowels. We have 5 vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. We know A, E, I, O, U. Let's come to the concept. For every vowel sound, we will use, for every vowel sound, we use an. For every consonant sound, we use a. I will repeat it once again. For every vowel sound, we use and. For every consonant sound, I am not speaking about vowel sign consonant. I am speaking about sounds of the vowels and sounds of the consonants. Is it clear? Sounds, every vowel sounds is added and every consonant sound, that is A. Rather than this A, E, I, O, U, for all the basic concept we know that before A, E, I, O, U we will add and rather than this all the consonant we add A. But that is wrong. That is the main concept, it should be clear. We should think about the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Not vowels and consonant. Vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Be clear about this. Toy consonant sound. Ball consonant sound. Watch consonant sound. Boy consonant sound. So before this what must be used? A toy. A and A. because all these are consonant sounds. Then comes here university on first letter. One thing must be clear, that first letter of the word sound we should see. We should not completely we should not see the sound of all the words. First letter of the word, whether it is vowel or consonant. Here university, U is consonant, sorry, vowel, but here sound university. What is the sound of this U? University, U का sound हो रहा है यहाँ पे, य का sound हो रहा है, हिंदी य का sound, university. So that's the reason a university, again a unity, and a usage, and a unique, and last comes umbrella. Whether it is same sound, it's also giving the same vowel sound? No. There is a sound, no. Umbrella, a sound is there here. So this is an umbrella we are going to call it. An umbrella. Here also U is there. And in the next also U is there. What is the difference between unique and umbrella? You are hearing the difference, unique, Y-O-U pronunciation is there here. Umbrella, a sound here. So, a sound means, vowel sound means, and consonant sound, a. Vowel sound and consonant sound, a. This concept should be very clear about. So, this is very important in A and an. A and an. For every first letter, we should see if they are vowel sound, we must write an. If they are consonant sound, we must write a. All these alphabets are vowels, but there are consonant sound. University, U ka this one, U, Y-O-U. This pronunciation is university, unique, then usage, unique, unity. All these are consonant sounds. These type of questions they are going to ask in an examination. They will not ask you direct. So, 5th class, 6th class also they can write direct questions. But they will make somewhat twisted, that is in the sounds, vowel sounds and consonant sounds. So you must be clear about that. If there is a vowel sound means and consonant sound O. So it is clear. Now comes what is article. What is article? I will read out the definition. Articles are used to tell the quantity of singular nouns, that is a and to specify which noun is being talked about the. So here they are telling the quantity of a singular noun, that is a and about the specify which noun is being talked about the. So here we have classified it into two categories. A and an is called indefinite article. A and an are called indefinite article. The is going to be called as definite article. The is going to be called as definite article. We have seen where we have to use a and an according to the sounds. Now we will discuss about where the should be written. A and an के बारे में लिखने का है तो which concept should be there in your mind? Sounds, vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Don't take any confusion in the articles and don't by heart any definition. You must be clear about every concept of the grammar part. So a and an, that should be clear with the sounds. A and an means you keep in your mind that vowel sounds and consonant sound. Is it clear? Okay. Some of the examples we have seen here. No need to give much more examples. So let's come to the. Where we are going to use the. The is a definite article. First let us see where the not to be used. The कहाँ पे use नहीं करना. We have not studied this one. We have studied that where the must be used. हम सभी पढ़े कि the कहाँ पे use करना. But हम नहीं पढ़े कि the कहाँ पे नहीं use करना. First it should be known that where we should not use the. There is with these examples we will clear. This is the pen. This is the pen which is given by my father. This is the pen which is given by my father. This is a pen. This is a pen. So, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two sentences? This is the pen which is given by my father. This is a pen. Here we have written the, and here in the same sentence here we have written a. Why? What is the difference? This is the pen. Think that this is a pen. ये वही पेन है मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे बर्थडे पर गिफ्ट किए थे. This is a particular pen we are going to talk about. This is a particular pen we are going to talk about. ये वही पेन है मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे बर्थडे पर गिफ्ट किए थे. And one more pen I have. These are actually chalk piece. Just assume that these two are pens. This is a pen which my father has given on my birthday. This is the pen which my father has given on my birthday. And one more pen I have. This is a pen. What is the difference between these two pens? ये वही पेन है जो मेरे फादर ने मेरे बर्थडे को गिफ्ट करे थे. This is particular pen we are going to talk. This is a pen. Commonly we are going to tell that this is a pen. A pen है. This is a chalk piece. This is the chalk piece the school has given to me. A particular chalk piece है जो school ने मुझे दिए. This is a chalk piece. It's a common chalk piece. ये chalk piece का particularity क्या है? Specification क्या है? School ने मुझे दिए. So the difference of these two is this is particular one and this is commonly we are going to use pen. Our point is where we should not use the. हम the कहाँ पे use नहीं करना. In previous class we have studied, means previous class 7th, 8th, 9th, it may be any class. We have studied that where we have to use the, but we have not studied where we should not use the. First, before the countries. Before the countries. That is the reason the China is wrong here. The India we are going to call. The China we are going to call like this. No, exactly wrong. That is according to grammar. So, before the countries, the must not be used. Before the languages, the English, the Hindi, the Marathi, like this, we are not going to speak. It is exactly wrong. Grammatically it is wrong. And before the street means colony we can say. Before the particular road, before a particular name, before a particular name, before particular any name we are going to use the Ravi. the Sima, the Veena. Like this they are going to speak? No, this is also wrong. Before the name, they are not going to use the. Before the roads, particular roads, the is not to be used. Before the streets, colony. We live in Shivnagar. We are going to speak like this. We live in the Shivnagar. We are going to speak like this. No, that is wrong. We live in Shivnagar. Or it may be any street, or it may any colony. Before any streets, before any names, before any roads, and before any countries, and before any languages, and before any cities. I live in Bangalore. We are going to call like this. I live in the Bangalore. That is wrong. I live in Delhi. I live in Bangalore. I live in Bidar. I live in the Bidar. That is wrong. So before the name of the cities, before the name of the streets, it is very, very important. Keep this in your mind. Before the name of the cities, before the name of the streets, before the name of any particular road, before the name, before the language, before the countries. Exactly wrong. The not to be used. हम कभी भी पढ़ते कि कहाँ पे यूज करना, but it is very rare to learn where we should not use. That is very important. The कहाँ पे use नहीं करना. You may know this one or you may not be know this one. Don't worry about this, but clear about the concept. Clear. It is very easy. Article means a and the we are going to call. A and कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? Before vowels we should write and. Before consonant we should write a. And the, that is the definite article. Before the name of the place, before the name of rivers, before the name of the mountains, before the name of the valleys, before the name of the newspaper, before the name of the holy books, the is to be used. Oh, okay, over. Our articles are over. No, that is not right. Each and every concept must be clear in the ground. So students, where the not to be used. Once again I will tell you, countries, languages, streets, cities, roads and name. You should be clear that in these particular area, the is not to be used. For the confusion point of view, in the examination point of view, they will ask like these questions only. So you should be clear that before this, before the name of the countries, before the name of the languages, before the name of the streets, before the name of the cities, before the name of the roads, before a name of a particular, the is not to be used. The is not to be used. Okay, this is clear where we should not use the. Now come to the point that in these areas, in these fields, if we are not using the means, where we should use the. The article, our definite article, that is where we should use the. Next question. So let us come to the next one, that is where we must use the. Before the name of rivers, we all know this. These are some common points. Before the name of the rivers, that is the Ganga. Name of the rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna, and second one is before the name of holy books. Before the name of holy books. Before the name of holy books means the grade 2 epics, that is before the name of the epics also we are going to use, and before the name of the holy books, that is the Bible, the Quran, the Bible, the Quran, The next, before the name of newspaper, it may be any newspaper we can say. Any newspaper, the Hindu, the Deccan Herald, any newspaper, we are going to use the. Then, before the name of a class, what is this? You have heard this one, all this. But this is before a name of a class. What is this class? This class is nothing but group. For example, the horse group is there. The cows group is there. For that, we are going to use the horses. The horses. We are going to write like this. The horses. The cows. Like this. It is to be called as class. Means group of horses means there is a group of horse are there. Cows means there are the groups of cows are there. Then next thing is before the name of unique thing. That is unique is the sun, the moon, the earth. Then next one is before all the superlative degrees. Before all the superlatives. Good, better, best. Good is positive, better is comparative, best is superlative degree. For that best we are going to call the best. The best. You are the best student in the class. You are the best student in the class we are going to call. For the best, because the best is the third degree, that is superlative degree. For all the superlative degrees, not only some of the superlative degrees, but all the superlative degrees. Small, smaller, smallest. You are the smallest girl in the class. The smallest. You are the smallest. You are the smallest girl in the class. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. So most of the degrees we have learned, I think. So all the superlative degrees we are going to add the. Then next, ordinals. What is this ordinals? Ordinals means first, second, third. She came first to the class. What is this ordinals? That is first time, second. The fifth, first, second. Like this we are going to write. First, second. Then next one is all the superlative degrees and for all the ordinals. It may be third, fourth, fifth, sixth, any number we can call as a ordinals. For all these, we are going to be added. Before that, the must be added. Before that, the must be added. First, we have seen that what is the definition of a article, and after that, some of the confusion points. That is about the sound. Confusion points are A, E, I, O, U, R. We know that vowels and vowel sounds. We have seen vowel sounds and consonant sounds. After that, we have seen where the not to be used. The not to be used. And at the last point, we have seen that where the must be used. The कहाँ पे use करना. इससे पहले the कहाँ पे use नहीं करना. Then we have clarified about the sounds of the vowels and consonants. This is the complete structure of the article we can say. I hope you have understood complete this article structure. Next, with the examples, we will solve these articles with the fill in the blanks. So with these examples, we can clarify the doubts. So how we are able to fill up the gaps after learning the complete topic, that is our articles. So first one is dash higher you throw the ball, dash longer it will take to come back. तुम जितना ऊपर बॉल को मार देते then it will take longer time to come back. So what we have to use here? Higher. We learned that for every third degree, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. For every superlative degree we have to use the. Here higher is superlative degree. Yes, higher is the higher and highest. The higher you throw the ball, the longer it will take to come back. Then next one is leaves. Leaves. What is this leaves? The or a? There is a confusion. The or a? Which article is used? L is consonant here. But leaves, it is a group of leaves. For a group, for a class, we are going to say that the must be used there. The leaves are green because of, you know, the scientific reason, chlorophyll, because of the chlorophyll. Leaves, when we see, commonly L is there, consonant is there, and before the consonant we should use A should be used. But again, one more rule what we have studied, if any class is there, group, leaves means all the leaves will come. So all the leaves means it's a class of leaves or it's a group of leaves. So for a group or for a class we will use the. Next, the man who was wearing, here no any group is there, no any class is there, consonant is there, we have to write A. The man was wearing a red and black shirt. Then next, that is odd way to whistle. Pronunciation, this is not whistle, this is whistle. T is going to be silent here. T is going to be silent. This is odd. Odd, what is the pronunciation? O pronunciation is there. O sound is there. If O sound is there means comes vowel sound or consonant sound? Comes vowel sound is there. For that we should use an. Meera is going on holiday. Holiday के group नहीं है. This is a holiday. So H is a consonant. So Meera is going on a holiday. Meera is going on a holiday. So my brother is excellent teacher. My brother is excellent teacher. Excellent. E sound is there. E sound means vowel sound. My brother is an excellent teacher. The last example, I went to dash university. I went to dash university. This is somewhat critical. Dash university means U. Again here, be careful while there is a U pronunciation. Hindi ka U, this one, and English YOU. If there is any U pronunciation is there, U sound is there means you have to use A, not an. You must use A, not an. I went to a university. Like that. The first one is, that is degrees. That is the reason we are going to use the here. Second one, the leaves is a group or leaves is a class. And third one, there is a consonant. That is the reason we use A. And fourth one, there is a O pronunciation. O sound is there. And directly this is here they have given O, no problem. If they have given indirect sounds means that is somewhat problem to fill up the blanks. Then Meera is going on dash holiday, that is direct they ask. My brother is excellent, that is E is the vowel, and say E pronunciation, E sound is there, then no problem to fill the gap, that is an. Then I went to this type of university, unique, unity. So for all this it's very difficult, because here when we see the first letter of a word, the first letter of a word is vowel, but here the consonant sound is there. That is the reason here we are going to use. Most confusing part in the article is this sounds, U sound, especially this is the main confusing word, that is they will give the first letter as a U, as a vowel, but the sound is U sound like this. So that's the reason before this university, unity, everything we must use A without any hesitation. So I hope you have cleared the basic concept of article, and we have clarified with some of the examples also. So in the next class we will see one more parts of speech. Thank you.